Okay, I've attached the proto board to the computer here. I have the USB connected, which is only being used to power the Arduino, and it also is supplying 5 volts to the servo driver board here. This will all be battery operated. I'll connect the power source for the servo. So the servos are now connected. And it just runs a cycle from center to full left, full right, and then back to center. So again, that's being run from this processor here. This processor is using a 2-wire ISC bus to run the servo controller, 16-channel servo controller. And then this little battery pack here is just external power. It goes into here for the servos. So the servos are not being run from the computer. They're being run from external power, which is very good because all the servos I have are going to draw significantly more current than this little teeny microcontroller could handle. So there you go. Today's update. We have electronics.